It looks like a simple fruit, but the cranberry hides a secret weapon in its structure. 4 pockets of pure air. This biological anomaly allows the cranberry to defy gravity and float.
Welcome to the Crimson Ocean. This is the ultimate industrial water harvest of the cranberry.
At dawn, the cranberry vines are heavy with fruit, hidden deep within the low-lying vines.
For fresh market consumption, the cranberry harvest must be done entirely by hand to prevent bruising. Slow, labor-intensive, and physically demanding. Manual cranberry picking yields the highest quality.
But to feed the global processing industry, manual labor gives way to massive hydraulic engineering.
Flooding the bog. The water level rises just enough to submerge the heavy cranberry vines.
Because of the 4 internal air pockets, the floating cranberry fruits detach easily when agitated.
Enter the mechanical giants. These low ground pressure vehicles are designed to agitate the water without crushing the vines.
This mechanical action dislodges the ripe cranberry fruits, sending the cranberry fruits to the surface.
A spectacular transformation. The green water is instantly swallowed by a sea of floating red cranberry fruits.
Millions of cranberry fruits now form a floating, moving sheet of pure fruit on the water surface. Human guidance. Sorters enter the water to guide the floating cranberry mass toward the extraction point.
The containment boom. This floating barrier corrals millions of cranberry fruits into a dense, manageable area.
The density is so high that the water surface is no longer visible beneath the cranberry layer. Extraction. A high-volume suction pump will now vacuum the floating cranberry fruits directly from the water. Separation. The water is immediately drained, sending the fresh cranberry fruits onto a fast conveyor belt. Detrashing. Air blowers and vibrating screens remove vine fragments from the clean cranberry stream. Bulk loading. A single trailer can hold over 40,000 pounds of fresh cranberry fruits.
Processing began within hours. Speed is critical to maintain the high antioxidant levels of the cranberry.
proper cleaning. High-pressure water jets ensure absolute zero soil or organic residue on the cranberry fruit.
AI color grading. Advanced optical sensors scan each cranberry for perfect color saturation and diameter. Precision. The AI can process up to 100,000 cranberry fruits per minute with absolute accuracy.
Slicing. For dried snacks, the cranberry fruits must be sliced to allow the internal moisture to escape.
Sweetening. To counter the natural tartness, the sliced cranberry fruits are infused with natural fruit sugars.
Moving to the heat phase. This stage removes the water added during the sweetening process.
Dehydration. Controlled heat turns the fresh cranberry slices into chewy, flavorful, dried fruit.
The liquid extraction. Thousands of pounds of fresh cranberry fruits are crushed simultaneously.
Pure extraction. This intense, tart juice is the base for global cranberry juice products.
Safety. High heat for a few seconds kills bacteria while preserving the rich cranberry flavor. Zero waste. The leftover cranberry skins are processed into high-fiber dietary supplements.
Back at the bog. Once the harvest is complete, the massive volume of water must be managed. Sustainability. The water is recycled and stored to be used for the next cranberry harvest season. Protection. In winter, the bog will be flooded again, creating a layer of ice to protect the cranberry vines from freezing winds.
The cycle continues. Spring brings the delicate blossoms that will become next year's cranberry harvest.
The current reading is 4.5 pH.
Good, log that.
Let's move to the east section.
From a simple air pocket to an engineering masterpiece, this is the ultimate cranberry harvest. Pure energy, extreme engineering. This is Harvest Motion.